So what we've got here is a stainless steel chemical resistant trigger. Telescopic, can go from 1 metre up to 2 metres. Set it up with stainless steel midi quick releases and just a standard brass soap nozzle. So what we can simply do is extend this out and it'll pull out to 2 metre in length. And what we'll do is demonstrate it. This is just working on the TFR pump that we use in the car washes. Like I say, stainless steel pipes, stainless steel quick releases, chemical resistant trigger. This trigger can be also locked in place. It is also available to be set up as a safety, so it's safe as well. Thank you very much, Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube.